Hello, do you have a power tool battery such as this that has died and not charging anymore, and you don't want to go out and buy a new one? I'm going to show you a simple fix where you don't need to go out and buy a new battery. However, if this is the only battery you have, you are going to have to need to go buy a new battery. This process will work for any power tool batteries. The steps may be different and all that stuff, so stay tuned. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Rob, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix a battery for a power tool such as a string trimmer, drill, sander, anything that takes these batteries. This process will work for no matter what brand you have. The batteries are all pretty much the same. You may have different batteries, and I'll show you what I mean in a bit, where the processes are different. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to do it and what I mean by battery not charging. So what you're going to need to fix the battery is you're going to need another battery that is charged and working. And so what you're going to want to do is take some wire. So I got this little fuse thing from Walmart for about $5. I wasn't about to spend big bucks on a whole roll of wire that I have no idea when I use. So first things first, I'm going to take that out. And what you're going to do, so first things first, what you're going to need to do is have two batteries. You're going to need one that's charged, and I'm going to be showing you what it's doing. So this one is the good one. Oh no, this one is the bad one, sorry. And so what you're going to want to do, and I'll show you that this one is the good one. So what you're going to want to do, put your batteries there, find out where the plus and minus is. So on that one, that's the negative, that's the positive. So, and the plus is on this side and that side. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to stick that in there like that. Stick that like in there like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Now leave that in there for a couple seconds. Just let it there, do its thing. Let it sit for a while. basically you're jump starting the battery. And then they both should charge. So see, that one's charging. And that one should be charging too. So see, now they're both charging. That is how you fix a battery. So you don't end up having to go replacing another, we're spending, because like this battery, I think like this battery is a Ryobi 1. I just got it. I have it for I got like a, what is it, circular saw, drill, impactor, flashlight. I got an air compressor that I'm gonna do a video review on. So the process would be a little bit different because you got like this, and I'm not sure which side is the positive, which side's the negative. So you basically do the same thing. You would stick the wire in there. You could probably even use one of, this battery to do it, but it's a different process. And like, I'm not sure how much this battery alone costs at Home Depot. I know I can go right now. They're doing, at the time of this video, it's June 16th, 2025. As I was on Home Depot's site yesterday, this is a 4 amp hour battery. I also have a 2 amp hour battery that came with my kit that had included a circular saw, flashlight, cordless drill, and impact wrench, and 2 batteries. I got this battery and the charger with it. So, and I got a 4 amp hour battery and a 2 amp hour battery. Now I know you can, right now you can buy this 2 batteries for that include the charger, the 4 amp hour battery, and the 2 amp hour battery for $90 at Home Depot, and you can get your choice of like a fan, different sanders. I'm not sure what else you can get, but they're doing Ryobi Day sale. And like I said, the battery for 2 batteries is $99. I think one of these batteries is $66 or $69. So this is definitely a good trick to do. If your battery dies and you don't want to spend the money on getting a new battery, but you're definitely going to need 2 batteries to do this. This trick, and now it's charging. So I hope this helped you. I hope you learned how to fix your battery. Like I said, all you need is a couple wires. I had to cut the red piece off, which you'll obviously have to do. And this trick will work with any battery. So, like I said, I hope this helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.